Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to present to you the Boyum IT's Produmex WMS Release Notes 2023.04. We are going to start out with the highlights and then outline the new feature of the fresh release. Stay with me and get familiar with what the new release has to offer. In our video today we are going to discuss a new feature related to changing the shipping type of a logistic unit on the packing flow in WMS. We are going to have a look at the additional field on the packing controller, as well as at the packing flow, how the option is used to switch between shipping types once the sales order is finished, and finally, how it appears in your database. With the new release, a new field, Allow Changing Shipping Type for Logistic Unit, has been added to the packing controller. When switched on, you will be enabled to select the shipping type once more after the sales order is finished. This is especially useful for customers who get to know the carrier at the end of the sales cycle. When the setting is off, shipping types are only configurable at the base documents, like sales orders, AR invoices, or inventory transfer requests. To learn about how to conduct pick list creations, picking flows, or deliveries in the warehouse management system, please visit the Boyum IT Solutions e-learning hub. Following the sales flow and the picking, the new shipping type menu appears at the packing flow when adding items. You can select from different types of manual or auto shipping based on what was specified on the sales order header and given all lines have been set to the same shipping type. Once all items are added, the shipping type for each added item can be changed once again before finishing the logistic unit. The new feature also appears for each item on the PMX LUID table in your SQL or HANA database under the shipping type column. To learn more about the new feature of Produmex WMS, check out the official release notes documentation on Produmex Wiki. This concludes our video on the new feature of Boyum IT's Produmex WMS 2023.04. We encourage you to upgrade to this latest version of our solution and to keep in touch concerning any questions you might have. Please visit our community on the link below and stay tuned for our upcoming videos.